Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have my Boxycharm. I believe it's my base box. Let's get into it and check it out. This is single-handedly the lightest box that I have ever had from Boxycharm. I mean, it is, how do I express how light it is? It is so super light. I know, that's kind of silly. We're gonna get inside and check it out. This is the base box for Boxycharm. I can see the red peeking out now that I've flipped it over. It is the first one they did. It is $27.99, but they have added a handling fee, I think, of $1.99. So rounding both of those up, it's a $30 box. You will have 5 full-size items. When we open it up, this is what it looks like. We have our card, and those are our products. Doesn't look like it should be extremely light. The back of the card will give us a little bit of information about each product and the price, and the front tells us that it is Boxycharm, so fresh and so clean, because it is my January box, and I have variation 22. We're just gonna dig in right on top. I saw this nice big thing. It is the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Waterful Glow Cream. I don't know if I have tried this or not. I used to love the Touch and Soul primer before I discovered the Marc Jacobs one through FabFitFun, which it was a FabFitFun booster box, and I love it. I still use it. It's my absolute favorite. But before that, I used the Touch and Soul Perfection. Is it Perfection or is that the Benefit one? I think it's Perfection. We're gonna stay with that. This is, oh, it's pretty. This is what this looks like on the inside. The paperwork says Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Waterful Glow Cream, a lightweight skin tightening cream that will keep you moisturized with its hydrolyzed collagen and hyaluronic acid formula. Perfect for all skin types, this face cream will restore plumpness and firmness to give you a youthful all-day glow. So it's glow cream, but is it a moisturizer? I thought it was going to be like a primer. Probably assuming that because it was Touch and Soul. Yes, they want you to use it like a primer because the how to use says apply it to the whole face as the last step in your skincare. I'm just gonna get in here and give it a try. Ooh, it is like a gel. Could you guys tell it's kind of pinkish purplish? I can't really smell it like that. Let's put a little on the back of my hand. Ooh. My hand could use this. I did not moisturize well enough before I came up. I am doing this while I'm also filming the FabFitFun spoilers, but I needed to get some boxes out. I don't want to fall too far behind again. It just has a very light skincare scent, for lack of a better word. It's not floral, it's not earthy, it just smells like a nice skincare. My hand that I put it on originally has already absorbed it. It's very soft. I probably should have gone ahead and looked at the ingredients first, just to make sure there's nothing in it I'm allergic to, but if by chance there is, I'll pass it along to my daughter to try. It feels really nice though. I will try that as a primer. Did we talk about that that was a $38 value? It is a $38 value if I didn't say that. Next out, right on top, we know it's Anastasia. I can tell by the box. Dip Brow Gel. I am not gonna open this. I have gotten this over the last few months, I think in quite a few boxes because I have plenty of brow gel. So I will leave this put together in case somebody I know wants to try it or we can pass it along. The paperwork says, I do like it though, that's why I have it. The paperwork says Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel. This waterproof formula lasts up to 12 hours. The unique applicator allows color to be added directly onto the brow hairs as well as the skin for a natural looking finish. Unique applicator? This is medium brown, which is me. Isn't it just a brush? Have they changed the applicator? Okay, I have to open it. So here's hoping if I don't need it, my daughter needs it because I've got to get in here. No. Unique applicator. It's, I hate they made me open that. It's a brow brush. Okay. So I'm gonna be bitter about that for a couple minutes. And that had a $20 value. Next out, I have a Real Her Metallic Eyeliner Duo. Okay, this has potential. I do like an eyeliner, and a duo means at least one of them won't be black. I could probably go for the rest of my life because of all the unboxings that I do without ever needing a new black eyeliner, barring dates, of course, things do expire. But for expiration, I could probably keep me and several people going. Oh, by duo, keep several people going with black liners. I understand duo meant two. I thought it was I don't know why I thought dual end. It's 2. We have I Am Creative and I Am Resilient. Oh, and ooh, this one is a copper, and this one looks like a metallic blue. I hope that comes across. Oh my gosh, we're trying these. I am so excited. They are not black. Oh, I like that copper a lot. It will look good with what I have on today. I have used the Love palette, the Natasha Denona Love palette, because here we are. It's 3 weeks from Valentine's Day, and I totally have to use up all my Valentine-y type things. So I'm gonna rock, oh, love the blue. I'm gonna rock this palette for the next few weeks. That is the copper and the blue. They went on so creamy, so nice. I can't remember sitting here right now if the Real Her is really waterproof. Let's see what this says. Real Her Metallic Eyeliner Duo. This creamy, buildable formulation glides without tugging or pulling on the eyelid. Suitable for any eye color, its metallic finish is also waterproof and will last on your waterline. Create defining lines or smudge to finish a smoky look. Wear alone to add the perfect pop to your eye, or use to complete your look and accentuate eyes. $30 value. I love that they think I'm going to be able to use this in my waterline, because I could see using this blue in my lower waterline a lot. I like that. I am fully enjoying this box. Next out, we do have a teeny tiny. It is LCB. It says LCB both. Oh yeah, Lovecraft Beauty. Have we had them before? I don't know that I've ever heard of this. I am intrigued. What is it? Plasma Gloss Quasar Goo. It's an all-over gloss. Is it now? Okay, let's get it out and see where we're gonna put this all-over gloss. Generally, I don't find that I want to gloss any part of my face except for my lips. I remember when glossing your eyelids was very in. I'm very old for all I know. It is still in. And that was just, as a hooded lid girl, that's the nightmare. When we get it out, this is what it looks like. Here, let's see if I can. Oh, there you go. One of my New Year's resolutions when it comes to this thing is, when it's something I haven't tried before, even if the color is not perfect for me, we're gonna get into it, because I hate when you guys ask me questions and I can't answer them. So I'm gonna find out about all of the products I don't already know about. So this color is not perfect for me, but we're gonna read about it and we're gonna swatch it. Love and Craft and Beauty Plasma Gloss. This all over, ooh, it gets better, iridescent bronze gold gloss is a multifunctional buildable gloss that adds dewy bronzy iridescence to eyes, cheeks, and lips. Let's see. Yeah, it feels just like you're sticking your finger into a lip gloss. It's a firm lip gloss, but it is, oh, it's pretty. It is indeed a lip gloss. Look at the bronze on that though. That is gorgeous. Wonder if it, no, it stays. I'm gonna leave it here and we're gonna see if it ever doesn't feel tacky, because that's what I could not use on my eyelids. I can't stand that tacky feel, and that is not a bronze color I could use on my cheeks, but I might like it on my lips. If not, my daughter might like it on her eyes. She would look fantastic in this on her eyes. And again, $18 value. Next out, we have the Persona E-Balm, vegan and gluten-free. What do you think I chose in this? Did I choose the Anastasia? I looked before I came up to see, and I didn't save the email, which is really unusual too. But anyway, I might have chosen that Anastasia brow gel. This is what the box of this looks like. We have had Persona products in, oh, here's the color, in the past, and I have really liked them. So we'll see what this is. I do like the looks of the color on top. This is not feeling, I think they say the value on this will be $125 or more. This is not feeling like a real expensive box. That is what the packaging looks like. It just says Persona there, and on the back on the bottom it says E-Balm. Persona Cosmetics E-Balm Tinted Lip Balm. Always love a tinted lip balm. A sheer lightweight tinted lip balm packed with nourishing ingredients designed for feel-good comfort anytime, anywhere. And it has a $22 value. I am fully lipped up, but is it sealed somehow? That was slightly difficult to get off. I hope I wasn't making too much of a face and I don't have to edit that out. Oh. Okay. I know sometimes it's me and I sit here in these lights and we talk about things and, okay, but can you guys, that's the color of the lippy and that's the color on the box. This is kind of just like a natural, I don't know, darker nudie orange. This looks full on red in person. Let's see what it swatches like. When it swatches, maybe it'll be the color Oh, it swatches very light. I've gone back and forth probably 5 or 6 times, and that is what it looks like. So, okay, now let's compare. This is still got a warmer color. I am thrilled. This is cooler because the cooler will work better on me. It's very pretty. That'll be perfect I like to keep things like this in my purse so I can touch up on the go because I go out usually in a full lip, but I don't always like to redo a full lip when I'm out. I just like to be able to pull this out of my purse on a walk and all right, that is my Boxycharm base box, and that is why it was so light. I got just 4 little things, and then the bigger glow cream, which although it looked like it was in glass, I'm pretty sure that was plastic, so this wasn't real heavy. So we got the plasma cream that we can use on our lips, eyes, or cheeks. I will probably just try it on my lips, but I may just go ahead and pass it on to my daughter. We got the Anastasia brow gel, the Real Her metallic liner duos. Those were fantastic. The Persona lippy, and the glow cream. So I will try this. I will enjoy all of these. This I may pass along, but 4 out of 5, I mean, that's about the best odds you can hope for in a subscription box. Let's get a full value on this because this doesn't feel like a real pricey box. $128. So I would say if their threshold is $125, we just met that threshold this month. So they did it. Still, I paid, well, in theory, I think you have to round it up to $30 because like I said, $27.99 plus $1.99 handling. So $30, but for that, I got $128 worth of goodies. Let me know below what you think. Did your box look anything like this? I have only watched a couple of people unbox January, and I don't know that I saw any of these products. Of course, I have variation 22, so we know there are at least 21 other choices out there. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I hope I see you again really soon. Take care, guys. Have a great day.